Good day everyone. Today, we will discuss the population growth. But first, let us know what is population growth. Population growth refers to the increase in the number of individuals in a population over a given period of time. So, population growth typically modeled by a function that describes the rate at which a population increases in size over time. So, para makuha natin ng population growth, meron tayong susunding formula which is A is equal to PE raised to RT. So, A stands for population after years, P stands for initial population, E stands for Euler's constant, R stands for rate of growth, and T stands for time. We have examples that will presented by Ms. Caniedo.
Thank you, Mr. Fortuna. So we have here one example. And the given example is the exponential growth model A is equal to 50e raised to 0.070 describes the population of a city in the Philippines in thousands, 3 years after 1997. So we have here two questions. First is what is the population after 20 years? What is the population in 2037? So, ang unahin natin syempre yung unang tanong. What is the population after 20 years? So, kakalculate natin yan gamit yung formula neto. A is equal to PE raised to RT. So, bago natin i-compute, substitute muna natin syempre. The initial population is 50. Rate is 0.07. The time is 20 years. So, ang ilalagay natin sa calculator natin syempre is 50e raised to open parenthesis 0.07 times 20 and close parenthesis equal. Yan, nakuha natin. Siyempre, yung may mga point-point. So, yung kasunod ng 5 is 9. So, mangyayari dyan, yung 5 is magiging 6. So, ang magiging sagot natin is 202.76. So, ipa-approximate din natin, magiging 203. Since 1,000 yung hinahanap, ang ating final answer is 203,000. Ayun yung magiging final answer natin. Kasi, ang hinahanap natin, syempre, 1,000. Next, the second question is, what is the population in 2037? Kung mapapansin natin dito sa question, hindi given yung years of the time. Hindi siya years. So, para maging years yan, ang gagawin natin, ima-minus natin yung 1997 sa 2037. Ayan. Pag minus natin, syempre magiging, ang kakalabasan is 40. So, ang years natin is 40 years. So, substitute na natin, katulad kanina, yun yung ginawa natin. Yung initial population, 50, yung rate, 0.07, tapos yung years is 40. Ganun pa rin yung formula natin gagamitin and ganun pa rin yung gagawin natin sa calcu. So, 50e raised to open parenthesis 0.07 times 40 close parenthesis. So, ang magiging sagot natin is 822.23. So, i-approximately natin ulit. Magiging 822 na lang. Again, 1,000. Kailangan maging 1,000 yan. So, ang gagawin natin sa 822, gagawin natin 822,000. So, ayun na. Thank you for listening.